Anki, the popular flashcard application, can be extended with a plugin called AnkiConnect, which provides a local server for seamless interaction with external applications. AnkiConnect allows users to perform various operations such as creating, updating, and deleting notes, retrieving card information, and managing decks, all through a simple JSON-based API. This flexibility enables users to integrate Anki with other tools and workflows, enhancing their study experience. In this video, we explore the possibility of interacting with the AnkiConnect server from the Vim text editor as the client. To facilitate easy server-client communication, we installed the Vim REST Console plugin, which allows us to send HTTP requests directly from Vim. This screencast illustrates how to create a JSON request for AnkiConnect, enabling the generation of new Anki notes within the Anki desktop application. The request specifies the deck, model, and field values, and it returns an array of identifiers for the newly created notes. If any errors occur, all issues are collected and returned in a new Vim buffer. Thank you for watching. Your support is appreciated. If this video provided value for you, please remember to like it and share it. Don't miss future videos, subscribe to this channel, and check the description for a link to a more in-depth blog post and a new index card notebook designed for organizing your physical index cards in a single space.